Hello and welcome to our geometry series. Today, we are going to explore a fundamental three-dimensional shape that you see everywhere around you, the cube. We will understand its structure, properties, and the mathematical formulas used to measure it. So, what exactly is a cube? In geometry, a cube is a three-dimensional solid object bounded by 6 square faces. It is formally known as a regular hexahedron. The most important thing to remember is that because all the faces are squares, every single edge of a cube is exactly the same length. Let's break down the parts of a cube. It has 6 flat surfaces called faces. It has 12 straight lines where these faces meet, called edges. And finally, it has 8 corners where the edges meet, which are called vertices. You might have heard of a rectangular prism. A rectangular prism has a length, width, and height that can all be different. A cube is actually a special type of rectangular prism where the length, width, and height are all equal. It is the perfect, symmetrical version of a prism. The defining feature of a cube is its face. Every single face is a perfect square. This means all 4 sides of the face are equal, and all 4 corners are right angles, measuring 90 degrees. The area of just one of these faces is the side length multiplied by itself, or side squared. Now let's calculate the total surface area. Since a cube is made of 6 identical square faces, the formula is very simple. We just take the area of one face, which is side squared, and multiply it by 6. So, the total surface area is 6 times side squared. Next is volume, which measures the amount of space inside the cube. To find the volume, we multiply the length by the width by the height. Since all these are the same in a cube, we simply multiply the side length by itself 3 times. The formula is side cubed. There are 2 types of diagonals in a cube. The face diagonal runs across one flat side, and its length is the side times the square root of 2. The space diagonal cuts through the center of the cube from one corner to the opposite corner, and its length is the side times the square root of 3. Cubes are very common in the real world. Standard 6-sided dice are perfect cubes. Puzzle cubes, like the famous Rubik's Cube, are also cubes. Even ice cubes, though they melt into different shapes, are named after this geometric solid. To summarize, a cube is a regular hexahedron with 6 equal square faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Remember the 2 key formulas. The total surface area is 6s squared, and the volume is s cubed. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.